Let's see the next SQL query statement, that is SQL delete statement. Okay, so the delete statement is used to delete existing records in a table. Okay, if you want to delete a record or rows in a table, you can use this delete statement in SQL. Okay, ஒரு particular row இல்ல ரெக்கார்டையும் நீ டேபிள்ல இருந்து delete பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா you can use this delete command. Okay, let's see the syntax for this delete command. That is delete from table name where condition. Okay, so the syntax is delete from, okay, the table name. Table name na எந்த டேபிள்ல இருந்து நம்ம ரோஸ் ரெக்கார்ட்ஸை delete பண்ணணும் அந்த table name where condition. Okay, based on certain condition you can delete the rows or records from the table. Okay, let's see with an example. Okay, here we are going to delete, okay, the records or row where the customer name is Alfred. Okay, Alfredங்கிற rows, okay, customer name எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் அந்த particular table வருதோ அது எல்லாமே என்ன ஆயிரும், delete ஆயிரும். Delete ஆகணும் அப்படின்னா you can use this command, that is delete from customer. Okay, customers is nothing but the table name. Okay, எந்த டேபிள்ல இருந்து delete பண்ணணும்னு இருக்கணும் அந்த table name where the constraint, okay, condition என்ன condition, that is customer name equal to Alfredங்கிறது எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் வருது, கஸ்டமர் நேம் வந்து ஆல்ஃப்ரெட்ங்கிற எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் வருதோ அந்த டேபிளில் அந்த ரோஸ்லாம் என்ன ஆயிரும், delete ஆயிரும். Okay, so that is delete from customer where customer name equal to Alfred. Okay, so let's see with a live example. Okay, at first I'm going to create a table students, okay, with the two attributes, that is roll number and name, and then I'm going to insert, okay, four values, okay, into the table students. Okay, so four rows has been inserted in the table students. Okay, you can view the we can view the table by using the command select, that is select asterisk from table name. Okay, here you can see the output. Okay, so four rows has been inserted in the table student. Okay, the first row is Jennifer, then Rampriya, Navin, and Lindsay. Okay, let's see how this, okay, delete command works. Okay, I'm going to delete the record or row where name is, okay, Jennifer. Jenniferங்கிற row எதுலெல்லாம் வருதோ அதெல்லாம் நான் delete பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா you can use this command, that is delete from students where name equal to Jennifer. Okay, so இந்த command நம்ம execute பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். Okay, here you can see the output, that is one rows deleted. இப்போ ஒரு row என்ன ஆயிட்டு delete ஆயிட்டு. Okay, so now you can see, you can view the content or data by using this select command. இதை ரன் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். ரன் பண்ணி பார்த்தோம்னா அந்த row இருக்காது. Why? Because we have deleted it by using the command delete. Okay, delete from table name Jenniferங்கிற row-வை நான் delete பண்ணுறதுனால அந்த row என்ன ஆகாது, எனக்கு இருக்காது. Okay, so if you want to delete the record from the table, okay, under certain condition, the conditionல நம்ம வந்து particular record or row delete பண்ணா you can use this delete command. Okay, so this how delete command works in